Living life, I'ma run with it. Yeah, the vibe is on me. I got it. It's on me. That's right. It's on me. That's right. It's on me. The vibe is on me.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Keyyz and I make content based off of beauty, natural hair, and fashion. So if any of those things interest you, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button down below. So I'm getting ready to do this detoxifying charcoal mask along with this under eye gold gel mask for up under your eyes.
Hard to sleep cause my mama keep calling me. Buy about the jar, it's imported from overseas. She called me king, she my rib, she a part of me. Invest in me, don't need no bitches stressing me. Either you with me, I don't need no in between. Tricked by your brother and it's hurting, I know it sting. Success my revenge, in the end you gon' see. Do I want your friend? It depends, we gon' see. Get on my nerves, you with the birds. Check my slur, ain't from the birds. Made it kill it from the curse, but ain't no bridge.
Okay, so this says yes to bubbling up with the latest little black mask with charcoal and oxygen to help lift away the nasties and red skin of pesky pollutions. And this is natural, 90%, 95% natural ingredients in this. And it's, I probably should have read the directions before I put this on my face. It said gently unfold mask and apply to skin just around eyes, nose, and mouth, smoothing to fit the curves of your gorgeous face. Magically watch the bubbles appear. Oh shit. Close eyes and relax for 10 minutes. Remove mask and rinse. It's tingling my face, so let's see what time it is. It's 12. Okay, so I'll probably put this on at 12:42. So I take this off my face at 12:52. So I'll be back. Oh, I'm scared. I hope this don't get skin on my eyelash. Kind of burns a little bit. Hopefully this don't, I'm not even gonna speak it, but it's tingling. Hi you guys, so I put this on at 10:42 and it's now 10:46. I'm supposed to leave this on until 10:52, but this is starting to burn, so I'm about to take it off. Y'all look how much bubbles. That is so cool. My lip look fat as hell. So I'm just about to rinse this off my face.
He gon' scheme, got a rotten shit tease. Take your shit by any means. My vocab for the G.
Alright. So my face feels really fresh. So I'm about to move on to the next thing. So y'all just, here I come. Wait a minute. Well, you guys, I thought I was about to shave my face, but I can't find a little shaver, so I have to buy some more. So I'm just gonna move on to the next thing, which will be plucking my eyebrows. So does anybody else sneeze when they pluck their eyebrows? I sneeze when I pluck them. I sneeze when I get them threaded. Okay, it's hard for me to see right here, so let me see if I can set y'all up somewhere else.
Why your niggas watch it? Said it sound like rockets. Make deposits, barber shop to watch it. Just make sure you count it. Said I lost, but I been about it. Tell me who gon' stop me. Chillin' private, fully been a problem. Sound straight from the lightness.
Well, give me some. something, let me see. Guessing it's on me, open the door, put in the key. I'm vicious to the T, I'm spilling game and sipping tea. 87 white and weak, OG feet like Jordan for the
Tell me who greater than. I'm from that house, you don't play with them. I count this money with baby hands. Then we pass off, I relay a band. They call me Diddy, I made a band. Niggas in chains, but I'm freeing them. He kept his word, so I'm keeping him. Tell him wake up, ain't no sleeping in.
I'm sorry about this lighting, y'all. One day I'll have a beauty room. Okay, so I'm about to try these pre-cut lashes right here, and I'm gonna show you guys how I put my lashes on to make them look like they're individual lashes. So first, if there's anything up under here that's sticky, let me show you guys. So you guys see, okay, you guys see how this is? If there's anything up under here that is sticky, I pick it off with my nails, because since I'm putting it up under, I don't want when I blink that it sticks to the bottom. So any adhesive that's at the up under it, I take it off. So, you know, usually we apply up under the lash. I apply it on top because we're sticking it up under. So I'm gonna apply. So this is what the glue looks like, and it's on top. And I'm gonna blow it for it to get tacky before I stick it up there.
Shout out to Rick and Thad. Hey, I've been gone, but you know I'm back in it. It's free game, but I call it free chicken. Hold your head when you see they ain't with you. We ain't the same, y'all been praying for a Benz. Young Savage growing hard for a Bentley. Y'all hear my line, still trying to make mins. Just hang up, unless you trying to make millions or billions and trillions.
Just from what's going on now, I probably won't be repurchasing them, because usually I just cut my own myself. And I can have them long or short if I want them.
It's way so believable, way so achievable. But can't lie, I felt down and out. In circles like roundabouts. I miss mama, I'm wildin' out. I need love that ain't hiding out. Other motives that I'm opposing. Them blessings come down, I know I was chosen. One day I'ma be where you point remote set to, then you just rap like it's locomotive. Check my phone, then the veil, hit my line like when I'm gon' be back. Get my kid, hit my line like what we gon' eat at. I come back with a bed like I put on ski mask. I'ma tax that. They don't wanna see 7. And he so jealous. I call him crybaby, but that ain't the baby. Who that? That's my babe, but I'm single dog. Texting Daniela, can you read it dog? Ignoring fast and blame me like I'm cheating on him. Got me asking me.
I like my lashes look very natural, so I guess I mighta coulda gotten, nah, 4 wouldn't fit in there, because it came with 4 pieces and I only used 3. All right, so this is the finished product of the lashes, and they are all right. They're not as full as I would have liked for them to be, but I do like a natural look, so they definitely look natural. This last one is still drying, but if I look down, you can't tell that they are strips. All right, so I found my mascara, and I like to use the Pacifica Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara. Actually, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this 40 Silk Mascara. And I got this off Amazon. I got the other one off Amazon too. The other one is a natural mascara. And it's supposed to like be healthy for your lashes. And I'm not gonna use that on these because these are not my lashes. So why would I put all that good minerals and stuff on something that's not my lashes? You get what I'm saying? Oh shoot, I'm not even in frame. I'm gonna wait to do that one because one of them is still drying. So I'm gonna put a little bit more on these. They look so natural.
I'ma leave you alone, yeah. Guess whose bag is about time? Business only about mine. Disappointment's wild, child. I was lost, but I decided.
So that's it for my makeup. I'm real simple. I ain't finna do no extra stuff. Just foundation, concealer, foundation, eyebrows, lashes, and I'm good. Maybe something on my lips. So I'm about to go put on my clothes. So I will see you guys when I come back to do my hair. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Good morning, you guys. I know I look crazy. But I just want to show you guys what I'm doing this morning. I am trying out this Collagen Hydrogel Gold Mask. It's a skin tightening, elasticity, intensive mask. A hydrating gold gel mask loaded with collagen and gold will help hydrate and revitalize dull, fatigued skin while detoxifying the impurities in the skin to give an overall glow and life to skin. So I just put this on, and you're supposed to let it sit for 20 minutes. And then when you take it off, you don't have to wash anything off. You just rub the excess serum into your skin and your neck. So yeah, I just want to come show you guys what I'm doing.
Now you can say I got yeah. When they ask, I gotta say, yo, yeah. Hey, that's my life. Yeah, that's my life. Yeah, that's my life. I want fruit.